Today we're looking at how going live can drive engagement. As you can see, this is BT Bouncy Castle manufacturers, and they, funnily enough, manufacture bouncy castles. And what they do is they go live on Facebook like they have here, and I'll show you the video and then we'll talk about it. So as you can see, this video here is them live. So they have created this bouncy castle, and this is them going live to show everybody what it looks like on the inside. So it's to show all the flashing lights, to show, I guess, the kind of experience that someone would get if they hired in the bouncy castle or indeed purchased it so that they could use it for events and things like that. So it shows the whole thing. And I think what's really good about it is most of their Facebook posts are live, which is great. So it's all about getting people to engage. It's about getting people to guess, to see the full thing and to understand what it would actually be like if they were to purchase it. So here you can even see they've gone into like the safety details and things like that. So it is, if people are thinking about buying, renting, ordering, or getting an inflatable at a specific time, then it very much allows people to inspect it. And obviously when you go live, one of the great things about it is people can comment directly. So I would get an alert to say BT have gone live, and I could go on and say, okay, does this come in other colors or anything like that, and they could actually answer me live. So it means that you get real-time customer service and customer value out of the live video that you just simply don't get with anything else.